Everyone come in here. Okay, we're gonna let you stand in front of me. Let's get a little closer. A little closer, a little closer. Okay. Everyone down. 1, 2, 3, wave high. Biggest tree in the world. Hey everybody, quick update. We are back in real life right now. I have a 4 terabyte hard drive that is full of footage that I just haven't gotten around to uploading. Summers are the busy season for my work. Hopefully, as it cools off, I can share more of our adventures. We got so much done, including seeing the largest tree in the world there, General Sherman, and we drove all the way across the country with the tiny house in less than 5 days. So we're here, we made it in San Francisco, well, Marin County, just outside of. It was a tight little squeeze to maneuver in here because it's packed for Christmas, but we got her settled in there and 2,000 miles. Of course, 3 days. It was quite a hot haul. I'll be glad to get it all set up, so I'm going to get her dropped. So, as work slows down, I will hopefully be ramping that back up and share the rest of the adventure, and finally give you a tutorial on the entire build if you didn't follow it on Twitch. But, in case anyone lives in the Colorado area, wants to see it, wants to get in the tiny house, wants to ask questions, we are going to be one of the tiny houses at the People's Tiny House Festival in Fountain, Colorado at the Pikes Peak International Raceway. That is down, I think it's about 15 minutes south of Colorado Springs. So if anyone is in the area, we will see you guys there. If not, I'll be catching up on our adventures on YouTube very soon. Until then, have a great one.